YouTube channel. Wow! For today's video, pwede na ako mag-vlog kasi uploading na yung last vlog ko. Today is December 1. So, December dump na tayo, guys. Alam natin na mga mangyayari this December. Alam nyo na yan. Ubusan pera na yan. Let's go.
Akin niya.
Ay, ang perfect.
Ay, best plate.
Ay.
Wala pang 5 minutes.
Wala ba yun? Sweet, balik na muna natin. Tingnan mo natin kung ano, well done.
Ang perfect ni Kuya.
And this one is for your condiments for the chicken. Lagayan ng ketchup.
Thank you, Kuya. Hi guys, we're home. So, ang daming nangyari ngayong araw na to. Pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado dahil lobat yung phone ko. So, ngayon is naka-charge ako. We bought iPad! Finally! So, sealed siya. Hindi ko na siya pina-open sa Power Mac dahil meron naman siyang 7 days replacement. Eh, gusto ko kasi mag-unboxing video. Babalikan ko kayo if nabuksan ko na siya. So, story time lang pala. Sobrang tagal ko nang gusto ng iPad. As in, 2 years ago ko nang gusto ng iPad. Pero, inuna ko muna mag-upgrade ng phone. At saka, yung La Union. Actually, yung La Union trip namin this year, yung January 2023, dapat iPad talaga siya. Pero, nag-La Union kami. So, di na ako nakabiling iPad. So, ngayon na lang siya natuloy. Lo!
Hello?
Unboxing eh!
Hala.
Kita ka dyan, Star! O ganyan nga unboxing si Mami. Eee! Type-C. Eee! Ganda guys. Yun yung ano niya buttons niya. Camera niya. Here's the power button. Speaker. Both left and right. And then power niya is for Type-C. And then ang camera niya ay ito na siya sa top. And the webcam niya sa top na. Ganda rin itong phone ko eh, no? Nag-auto-focus din. Bonjour!
Ayan yan, ayan na lang.
Welcome to iPad.
Happy?
Super. Super to the super ear. Ito na guys! Hello!
Halos parehas lang.
Hindi. Mas ano to siya? Saturated. Pero ang ganda ng wide nito.
Pijama yan.
Pati na mo, ang itim ko dito, ang orange ko dito. Pero ang ganda ng white, guys. I-unwide mo nga, babe. Paano yan? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Beautiful you.
Sige, unwide. Damn! Nyo guys, naka-charge pa rin ako. Lobat pa rin ako. So guys, we are now installing. So here's my essential sa phone. Essential ba yung tawag doon? So I have Messenger, Facebook, Instagram,
Social media.
YouTube, Twitter, Google, YouTube Studio, InShot, and then I still have waiting here, CapCut, and many more. I'll update later. Naku po, na-fruit ninja na nga tayo guys. Pang vlogging ko to, tsaka journal ko to eh. Ba't naging fruit ninja? Hi guys! So, we have our iPad right now and it's a week after kong mabili to. And ngayon lang ako nakapag-proceed sa vlog na to. Dahil hindi pa ako nakapag-extra. So anyway, magbibigay lang ako ng review and update sa kung ano nang meron sa iPad natin. While opening a parcel, kasi ngayon lang ako nakabili ng pencil niya. And most likely, ginamit ko lang yung iPad for TikTok and Netflix dahil wala pa nga akong pencil. Medyo mahirap pala mag-journal kapag wala kang pencil. Okay, so yung binili ko ng pencil ay hindi Apple, syempre. Dahil ang mahal niya. And may nakita akong magandang item or magandang alternative. Then, meron din silang magnetic keyboard, which is di ko pa binibili kasi sinama ko siya sa wishlist ko sa Pasko. Okay. May kasama siyang nice. And then, meron tayong manual and the pen itself. Ang kasama is yung pen, charger, and libreng ballpoint. So you can just tap it like the pen, so it will open. And then yan yung charger port niya. And then meron siyang brand name right next to the, sorry, naka front cam kasi. So the first thing that we will be trying is if magnetic pa siya. Here's the one. Okay. Saya it worked. It's magnet. So, nakagawa na rin ako ng widget ko. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung paggawa ko. But I have two personality, which is the pink one and the black one. So, here's the pink one. Here, I screen record it for you guys. It's working smoothly. Okay. So, I have the first one, which is the color pink. This one is just a widget from here. Widget Smith. It's the calendar, picture ni Starlet, and another notes here, which is it's gonna be okay, and another flower. Just to be coordinate, color coordinate. Here, we have your reds, touch of reds. And then, we have action game, which is hindi ko pa na-add siya lahat. And then we have productivity, which is good notes, kilo notes, and paper. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa kong calendar. Ayan. Dahil wala pa akong pencil. So, ganito pa lang yung itsura niya. So, I have this one. Sobrang pangit! I just blur it out, pero yan pa lang yung nagagawa ko. Anyway, we have here InShot where I edit, Shopee, YouTube, and Pinterest. The next page will be all my personal stuff, which is reminders for my bills, Christmas gift, and events. And other than that, we have all the apps here that color coordinate then. So, mayroong TikTok, Netflix, Photoshop, and Lightroom, Calculator, and Call of Duty. Obviously, pictures yan. Ayan, nothing more. Anyway, last part will be sharing what I installed for my app, for your widget stuff, and all. And gusto ko ipakita rin sa inyo pala na naka-ano na tayo. Naka iOS 17 na tayo for the iPad. Okay, we can change the font nung time. May screen record ko, lalagay ko na lang. So, yan, pwede tingnipisan. We can choose the font type that we want and the color, of course. So, I don't want to change it because this is the most readable one. She's the red. Almost red. but not too much. Yes. And then, this is the font style that I want. That is super bold. Yun lang guys sa iPad ko. Again, mag-start ako ng journaling vlog soon. Pero di ko alam kung mapapanindigan ko sa inyo. Pero I'll try my best. Para ma-upload ko na itong vlog na to. Super dami kong pending vlog. Pero basically, this is for vlogging pala. Nakalimutan ko sabihin. Pero this is for vlogging other than Netflix and TikTok. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko dito guys. And super helpful for my phone storage kasi tinatransfer ko na lahat ng vlogs ko from phone here using AirDrop of course. So, that's it. So far, so good.